Yeah, that sounds good. We got after our massages, which were fantastic for $15. We got moved to a different room because our AC just stopped working. So now in room 10, and the AC still was, you know, not the best thing I've ever seen, but it kept us cool. So that's the main thing. And then this morning, we woke up to mouse turds in the bathroom. So that's been fun. Different world. Just gotta get used to it. But for today, at 7 o'clock, we're getting picked up to go back down to Ubud to do an ATV and a whitewater rafting tour. I am excited about the whitewater rafting. A little bit scary. Yeah, a little bit scared. But, I mean, this is the view when you're peeing. They're really pretty. Neat.
Oh, Tom?
Good. We've got to learn how to fuel up anyway. So now we gotta learn from a local.
I think he's got maps.
Looks like there's a credit card reader too. I guess we just pull up and they fuel us up. He's going. Sitting in the back seat is a whole nother ball game.
Makes me real peaceful. In fact, even all evening yesterday, the 2 hours of winding roads and up and down and winding and fast and slow and hot. Yeah, it's
Terrible.
It's something.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good morning. Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Wonderful. Okay, I'm gonna go to the orange one. Okay, I'll take the blue one, actually.
All right. We're going on an ATV tour now. We're gonna see how this goes. Yum 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 yum.
video of you
What?
and how dirty you look,
I know, I got coated.
Jenny?
You've got the.
You got nice freckles.
Am I cute now?
Roy killed one
Two
of.
four-wheelers.
Yeah, 2 4-wheelers. The first one just died and wouldn't turn back on, and the other one, as I'm riding behind him, I see this thing just come flying off the back. So I stopped, and it was the battery.
The spare battery.
No,
Not hooked up.
no, the battery. It just came disconnected. They just twisted it together.
Oh yeah.
Did you see the ducks though?
I did. They were really cute.
And the cows?
Oh God, how funny!
What is this?
It's chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Really?
Cacao.
Oh, there's a red one. Careful. Oh yeah, maybe not one.
Do you want me to be taller?
Careful.
There you go. All the ants, Eva.
I think she's not ready to record.
Why am I doing this left-handed?
Not ready to record, I think.
Oh,
Lucky.
bummer. It's rotten.
Ah, that's not good.
Dang it. Huh? Where?
Eva, look how easy it was for him.
They do this in all the
Yeah. That's not good also. Don't worry. They will take this one.
Oh God.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh,
Oh God. I was totally gonna do
diam dulu di
that.
atas. Kalau nggak mau yang di atasnya lagi ambil.
Oh, look
Oh.
at him go.
Oh my God. Ah.
Oh yeah.
Not the same.
What's up with your trees?
Oh. Yang itu cok, ah itu dah baru mau ya.
Oh, there goes another one. Nice.
I mean, there's one like right out over here.
It sounds better.
Oh, take it.
Right.
Take one.
Oh, come here, you.
And then put it in your mouth. Yeah.
Try chocolate.
Mhm.
Yes.
Don't chew it. Just
Yeah.
Just stuff on it.
Do you wanna try?
and then you dry the bean out, and then you.
Pat. Oh. Sorry. Give to her. Not the same times in chocolate. That's still fresh.
fun. I think we should.